What is up, guys? We're out here at Tractor Supply. We were out here hanging out. Todd was out, Nate was out. Justin's still out here with us. We're about to call it a night, wrap it up. We had a good night. Thanks to everybody that came out. I know there's a lot of stuff going on tonight, a lot of stuff going on today. Everybody enjoying the weather, that sort of thing. We didn't have the biggest turnout, but it's all right. We still had a good time, and this is what we're doing, guys. I'm not sure what I'm doing after this. A lot of things I've been wanting to do all day to get on the channel and push the channel and do things like that and promote the channel. I've been working hard, trying to get as much footage and everything as I can today, enjoying the last little bits of good weather. I still have, damn man, I always fall off that hoverboard at some point. But I got a couple more projects. We got to get the front of this Jag lit up. I left the park lights on just so it don't look naked in the front. But guys, it needs that grill lit up so bad to go with these. The underglow here on the sides, I don't know if I pointed this out before, but I'm not real happy with this. It's okay, but it doesn't really make me happy. It's too short. It seems too short for me. Everybody says it's okay, but I'm picky. And I kind of don't like it like that. So I want to fix that. The dome lights are all in, they're all good. You can see the trunk lid flipping and changing. LEDs and the tail lights. The inside looks good, guys. The inside looks real good. There it is. We did the video for this last night in Albion, Indiana. So that's what we were doing. Man, you can hear this thing going behind me. It's King Kong. He's just back here breathing, man. I think it's on 1, and it's still slumping. There it is, guys. King Kong. You can hear me before you see me every day. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we had going on. We're about to wrap it up, call it a night. We were just out here hanging out. Everybody's pretty much taken off. Just a couple of us left, hanging out, enjoying the TrapBlazer and my Trap Bentley, the Jag. We got them lit up. About to call it a night. My voice is gone. I've been talking on this video all day. So we're gonna take the footage we got, get it back to the house, get it in the lab. All the live videos are gonna get downloaded. So guys, check out all the videos we got coming. I really have no idea of what's planning coming up for tomorrow. So who knows? Stay tuned. We'll get posted. I definitely know we got some more pictures, some more videos that I didn't get done up today, so they'll probably be out tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow if I get a chance. We'll work on the Jag a little bit, get some footage of that, and then Monday, you know, it's back to the grind. I'm feeling better, so I got to get back in, get back to work, and go from there. But our weather, there's Joe Lee Farmer. What's up, Joe Lee Farmer? Nice of you to join us tonight. We're out here at Tractor Supply in Nappanee hanging out. Yeah, that's Justin closing his hood right there. I don't even gotta look, I already know what that sound is. But we were out here hanging out tonight. Eventful day. Everybody had a good day. One last time while I'm on here, I want to tell Aaron Martz another big happy birthday to him, man. So if you guys haven't gotten a chance, get in the comments, tell Aaron happy birthday. He helps me a lot behind the scenes. He's been in a few of the videos. He helped me get the wheels on this Blazer. So, you know, always a big shout out to everybody that helps out with the channel, everything. So they're Brandon Thomas. What up, Brandon? Man, I wish everybody could be here with us, like live in person, but this is good. At least you're here like this. There it is. This is staying. Let's get this flipped around. Let's get him rolling out of here, guys. This thing's always hella loud, and it looks better looking at my mug anyway. Later, man. Charlie Farmer, what's up, Charlie? Nice you guys to join us tonight. We're just out hanging out. Tractor Supply lot. Everybody's rolled out. We are the last ones here, guys. Last ones here. We're about to shut it down. I don't know what we're doing or going from here. I don't even know what time it is. Look, it's 9:01. Actually, this is about 5 minutes fast, so it's probably like 6 after. 6 after 9, man. It's still early. Happy birthday, Aaron March, says Charlie Farmer. Thank you, brother. For real. Happy birthday, Aaron. Ooh, you hear Justin? That's him back there. I don't know where he's headed to tonight. But I'm not sure what we got going on. I think we're gonna shut this down, maybe get back to the trap way and plot it up and see what we got going on, guys. If we head somewhere to do something else, we will let you guys know, and we'll definitely bring the rides with us and get some footage. So we're gonna get out of this lot, and this is it for the night, guys. Keep on trapping. Thank everybody for all their support, love, all their likes, shares, their comments, everything. It all adds up. It all makes a difference, and I'm just glad I could be entertaining and everybody come out and enjoy the show. I really love that everybody, the whole community, has shown such support for Trap My Ride, and I really just can't thank everybody enough. All the viewers, all the followers, everybody coming out in the community. It's great, man. It really, really is. And I just want to keep it going. The season's about done for the year, but I'm going to keep pushing and instigating everybody over the winter, prodding and poking, keeping them going, and hopefully in the spring we'll light a fire under them and get everybody lit and ready to go. And after being cooped up all winter and not being able to get out, hopefully everybody will have the fever. And guys, this year the Rona kind of killed my Trap My Ride tour, so hopefully it doesn't kill it again next year. I really want to hit a different place every weekend, different car show, different event, where cars and stuff are going on all over northern Indiana and things like that. There's so many. Every weekend we can have a different place, never be in the same spot or do anything. And I'm going to take the cameras and the vehicles and show up, show out, represent Trap My Ride, the